Number 1. The genesis of blockchain. To comprehend Ethereum, we must first look back at the origins of blockchain technology. The internet democratized information, but financial systems remained centralized and susceptible to manipulation. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, a mysterious person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto released Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency and the genesis of blockchain. Blockchain, a decentralized, transparent, and immutable ledger, was the foundational innovation that allowed digital currencies to operate without intermediaries. But soon, visionaries sought to expand the blockchain's capabilities beyond just transactions. Number 2. The birth of Ethereum. In 2013, Vitalik Buterin, a young and brilliant programmer, proposed Ethereum, a new blockchain platform that would enable more than just peer-to-peer transactions. Vitalik envisioned a decentralized global computer that could run applications known as smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with predefined rules. They remove the need for intermediaries and allow parties to transact directly with one another, transparently and securely. Ethereum smart contracts open up a world of possibilities, from decentralized finance to supply chain management and beyond. Number 3. Understanding Ethereum's ecosystem. Ethereum is more than just a digital currency, it's a thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, that operate on its blockchain. dApps are built using smart contracts, which gives developers immense flexibility to create innovative solutions. In this ecosystem, we find decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, offering lending, borrowing, yield farming, and more, without banks or intermediaries. We see NFT marketplaces, enabling the ownership of unique digital assets like art, music, and virtual real estate.